Cool. What is tiered rates?
So tiered rates is a unique new product from Standard Bank. And it was really built on this insight that if you go and got a bond from any provider today, your interest rate would stay the same for 20 to 30 years, depending on your term of your bond. So what we did is we looked at that, and we really have a purpose at Standard Bank to say we want you to be a homeowner, not a bondholder. How could we make it easier for you to pay off your bond through time? So what we've developed is a new pricing option on our home loan, which effectively reduces your interest rate as you pay it off. So what that means is that it's got 3 tiers. So as you paid off 20% of your home loan, your interest rate will decrease. Then another 20%, it will decrease further. And after that, it will decrease even more. So what happens over time is that you actually end up paying substantially less than if you were just paying the same rate forever. So it rewards you for being a homeowner and good financial behavior to actually own the asset versus just paying it with a flat interest rate. And the numbers are big. So over a 20-year period, if you didn't even put any extra money in and you just chose the tiered rate option, you would save up to 70,000 Rand on the average home over 20 years. If you put in more money, the savings would increase, maybe 150,000 Rand to 200,000 Rand in interest alone. So that's a huge amount of money. The second point is that your monthly repayment would actually reduce over time. So you could use that free cash to put either back into your bond or use it to improve your property or whatever other lifestyle need that you have.
Yeah.
So we're really excited about it because it's the first option in South Africa where it actually rewards you for being a homeowner.
Yes.
Not a bondholder.
Yeah, because homeowners always crying, hey? So that would be, so when you mentioned how the more money you put in, the more discount you get, that's how it works in terms of tiered rates. And the benefit is that the homeowner is being rewarded for basically paying in advance.
Yes, you could be, or just making the monthly repayments because it's still reducing the balance.
Yes.
So
it's like an investment account.
In a sense, yes.
Yeah.
So if you look at, we see a lot of our customers can't afford a deposit when they first get a home. And remember, a lot of our pricing today is based off the fact of how big your deposit is up front. So say you've just started working. You don't have money for a deposit. You might not have 100,000 Rand or 200,000 Rand lying around. So take the tiered rate option. But then say you work really hard, your income increases, you can put that extra money in and still benefit from a lower interest rate. You're not stuck in the same interest rate over time. So it's really designed for people who might not have money for a deposit, as well as just the normal homeowner that might have extra money that they want to put into the bond.
So this is actually beneficial for first-time owners, actually.
It is. There are a couple of restrictions. It's only for new bondholders, not our existing bondholders at this point in time. And secondly, there are some restrictions on whether you are a business or if you have such a big deposit on your home that it wouldn't make any difference to you. So, but I can say those are exceptions, not the rule.
Yes.
It comes standard on all our new home loans today.
Oh, really?
If you're not falling into that category, which is plus minus 85 to 90% of all our home loans.
Okay, cool. So if I took out a bond today for like 1 million, and I don't have the deposit, I would be offered the tiered rates.
Absolutely.
Okay.
If you qualified in that, you would be offered the tiered rates, and you could then choose how to pay back through time. We will even send you friendly reminders and just tell you how much you've saved over the last couple of months on your behavior.
That is so cool.
Yeah. So we're really excited about it. It's unique to Standard Bank. It does not exist anywhere else. And we think it's a really, really valuable tool for people to be homeowners, not bondholders.
Okay. Now, are you willing to share what is next for look-see or tiered rates?
So for look-see, we're going to add more and more information. So we're going to try and really think about all the other decisions that go around home ownership. We're also going to expand our services related to that. We're very excited about that because we see people are looking for plumbers. They might be looking for builders. How do we link those people into an ecosystem that will enable homeowners in a trusted way?
That's so cool.
So we're really excited about those new features.
It's like a little trade club.
Yeah, so we're really excited about those features. And also, we're also excited about our new offering around how helping you, qualify for a loan. How much can you afford? The number one query that we get off people interacting with us is how much they could actually buy for. And we're going to have a completely digital online process for that around Looksy and around tiered rates very soon in the market.
Cool.
Yeah.
So it's like its own little property application, but it's like
Absolutely.
without the property.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So you can go shop with confidence
Yes.
with what you can afford.
Fab.
Yeah.
And for the people in the back, where can people find more information on Looksy and tiered rates?
Today, it's on standardbank.co.za under Borrow for Your Needs. Home services, you'll see Looksy Property Guide. You'll also see additional home services, and you'll see tiered rates there. And you can download all the information you need. And obviously, the contact details are there if you have further questions.
Yes.
Ask for it by name, tiered
Yes.
rates.
Thanks, everyone. Thank you, Andrew, for joining me.
Pleasure. Thank you.
Guys, Andrew's going to buy me a house.